mkhize ukhabaze. Secondly, put the respect on the name, you play kings of culture is food. Thirdly, abakini bazocula amagugu. Ngithi, firstly, RIP to mkhize ukhabaze. Secondly, put the respect on the name, you play kings of culture is food. Thirdly, abakini bazocula amagugu. Ngiyakubona unendelelo zokukhahlela isifuba. Sokuthele nkanuno wabo nangesomnyama uyayihlokoloza semgodini. Kanti uthini ngobro betha mind that home P Davis ongatholi ipiki emdidi. Ngiyakubona umlomo wakho manzi ubustabone ngizobreak i-virginity. Sukela ulindelane mkhize kanti bowulindeleni. Awuthi ngikuthatha ngikufake through a dream uzovuka emotional ima-IC. Soon as label pulls back uzophenduka i-backpack a-tourist back home. Bro, lay the foundations when you are just renting your home. You came off the net, you tryna play with the vets. Respect ayithengiswa mfana omncane, cut the checks. Nale 99 ilmambula phezu kwama-beats while bro painted the streets. Every line was a sermon, every bar was a feast. He gave hope to get or turn pain into pride. Heritage in heartbeat, the rhyme won't die. This is culture, not TikTok, don't compare to Delela, my legend, boy, that is a suicide note. Better humble up quick before your wave can flow. I'm the rapper on wax, I will dismantle your name. Zulu in my bloodline, I switch flows like a coat. Zofika lo mlomo, leave you stuck on the road. Inhlonipho to the legend, that crown locked tight. You chasing quick hype, I'm protecting the light. Amagama pro raised the soldiers, gave the block education. When I tracks raise followers with no dedication. You chasing the cloud, I'm chasing the legacy, no hesitation.